Hello, people. I don't. I kind of have a lot of work to do, so we're making a quick video here. Um, I have Japanese Kit Kats I got from William. Except these are from a very long time ago. Yeah, over a year. Over a year? No, a little under a year. They've been sitting in my bag, forgotten for a very long time. Let's say that. So they like sort of melted, like half melted, but like I put them back in the fridge. So they're still cold. Well, they're cold now. きっとつながる大人の甘さ. I don't know what flavor this is. I'm gonna be real. Matcha? I actually don't know the kanji for matcha. It does say cha though. Anyway, this one, こだわりのストロベリー. Strawberry. Let's see. Let's see how well they survive. Let's say that. First up, the strawberry. If it'll focus. Oh, it looks so much more disgusting on the video. It looks better in person. A little more pink. Obviously, it is quite melted. Let me see. No, that's not good. What if I... Sure, that works. Ooh, wow. Very much... Very melted. Yeah. Oh boy. Let's see how this tastes. Okay. The flavor is still there. The wafer is kind of not so wafery anymore. It's more like a brick. It's not good though. How's that like artificial strawberry taste though? Very strong, but it's not bad. I'm gonna finish this. I'm surprised it didn't go bad. I'm gonna leave that. Oh, oops. Open the matcha one. At least I think. One time I can't read. Ooh boy. Very green. And very melted. Yeah. Wow. Open this a little bit more. Ooh. Oh. Like, imagine how this would have been unmelted. Oh boy. Let's see how this tastes. Oops. It's like that typical, like sweet matcha taste you have in those every single matcha sweet ever. It does taste like matcha though. Classic Japan. Finished it. Pretty damn good, honestly. I mean, it's not like fully crumbs. It's not like fully matcha, obviously. Still has like that like artificial sweetness. Oh, I guess I threw it away. I don't know where it is. Yeah, yeah. Pretty good, honestly. Definitely like artificially, but pretty good. Better than a lot of American sweets, I'd say. Yeah. All right. Bye.